स्टार स्पेशल पर मैं हूं सिद्धार्थ कन्नन और हमारे साथ एक सुपरस्टार है who keeps surprising us with his performances in each and every film. अपना रुस्तम अक्षय कुमार, great to have you on the show, sir.
Well, thank you very much.
You're clapping for yourself.
Yeah, because first time we किसी की तारीफ कर रहे हैं because he doesn't otherwise he doesn't take interviews like this. He's one of those जो बेइज्जती करने बुलाते हैं लोग.
अच्छा, right.
आज मेरे कसम खाई है कि मैं बहुत शरीफ रहने वाला हूं और मैं अक्षय पाजी को प्रूव कर दूंगा कि मैं बहुत शरीफ हूं, ऑलराइट? एंड यू आर गोना जज दैट.
I think he's just scared. Interesting. I know he's a bit, yeah.
आई एम वेरी स्कैर्ड. अरे बाबा, मैं इनसे बहुत
खुद की बेइज्जती करने आती.
नहीं, मैं बहुत स्कैर्ड हूं इनसे बाबा. और of course the divinely pretty Ileana D'Cruz and Isha Gupta, great to have you on the show.
Thank you.
Looking as pretty as ever.
Thank you.
I'm reading a comment on Ileana D'Cruz from Santa Cruz. It came out like that, Somebody had written about you.
Really?
A full poetry
So
about
funny,
you.
yeah.
But आपको ऐसे
And
jokes
then
मिलते हैं
they
क्या?
come with me on a cruise.
Yes,
And I want to eat
I don't know
booze.
what they had written.
Since when do you eat booze?
Who always drink booze? Ileana D'Cruz.
I think I'm going to snooze.
Now talking about Rustam, 1950s पर आधारित फिल्म है. What is the beauty of shooting a film in that era, Akshay?
First of all, it was 59, 60s, 61 उसके बेस पे और शूटिंग जो है जो वो एरा को हमको कुछ नहीं करना है. Basically, the art director has to do, the director has to do, cameraman he has to do. We just have to wear the clothes and come. So if you ask me, if we did any homework, we didn't do any homework. I don't know about the girls. I mean, they must have done some homework.
Honestly, what he's saying is true. Like, if it wasn't for the director or the hair and the makeup and the stylist, even, I mean, I give a lot of credit to Kailash ji, who made my wig. It was the 7th wig which we got right because Tinu sir, like the director, was just not happy. He's like, I want that exact, it has to look like that. So, I mean, the 7 look tests that I had, I mean, it has to go to them. They did everything right.
What about you, Ileana?
Well, no, I didn't really do a lot of homework at all. Like Isha said, I had about, I think, 5 look tests. I don't remember, I lost count. Or I think itne sare look tests karne ke baad, I was just like, these wigs don't work on me. I didn't like it. I felt like I looked like about 50 years old. So I decided to chop my hair off and I like it.
मौजूद है हर सांस में तू हर दफा ये तय तू है दवा या दर्द है पर है मेरा ये तय.
So your look, the wedding look, was it based on your manager Zenobia's parents' ka wedding look?
Yeah, I saw her father's photograph and the mustache and that wedding photograph which we have is 1960s only. So उसकी जो तस्वीर थी और उनकी जो मूछें थी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. So I copied that with taking rights from her and so I copied it because according to me copyright means right to copy.
So you worked with him for the first time, right? What was your perception of Akshay Kumar before you worked with him? What was it?
And would you like to work with him again?
Okay, there you go. Huh?
I'd heard lots about him, about how he's a prankster and everything, and how you read all those Bombay Times articles that he played a prank on somebody, took somebody's phone away or something like that. So I didn't know what to expect. I assumed that he was going to play a lot of pranks on me.
Did I?
You didn't. Not really.
You look very upset about it.
Yeah. I mean, no, sort of. It was fun. It was lots of fun, but I'm surprised. Sorry, I'm just surprised that people don't talk more about his acting. As opposed to, he's a superstar. People talk about how amazingly successful he is and how amazing his films are, but they don't specifically talk about, what an unbelievable actor he is.
Do you feel the same way? Isha, do you feel that people...
And yes, I would love to work with him again. Sorry.
Yeah, super. Maa ki kasam.
Maki Kasam.
Super. So do you also feel the same way as well? Ki you were expecting him to do a lot of pranks on you, he didn't do it, or did he do a lot of pranks with you as well?
No, he was just really funny on set, and the best thing is, like, he's really nice to everyone on set. Even a spot boy to everyone, like, he would go and say hi to everyone. I think he's not intimidating. Like, it's just how he is as a personality, and when he comes with an aura. But for me, I mean, a little contradiction to what Ileana said. Because I think North में आप जाओ, क्योंकि मैं नॉर्थ से हूँ तो मैं ज़्यादातर नॉर्थ का ही कहूँगी. या बॉम्बे में आई थिंक एवरीवन टॉक्स अबाउट कि अक्षय सर कैसी डिफरेंट फिल्म्स करते हैं. सो ही डज लाइक एन एयरलिफ्ट, ही डज बेबी, ही डज हॉलीडे, जहाँ एक्टिंग ही एक्टिंग है. and then he'll do like an houseful, and then again he'll do like a Rustam. So I think he's also giving his audience what, because even hum log, I think as an audience, we'll keep seeing his serious and acting-based films, and we get bored, and then we're like, Houseful comes with great music and funny, and he's on the wheelchair doing this, and I'm like, oh my god, look at him.
Akshay, is there a strategy in place? जैसे एक बेबी हुआ, रुस्तम हुआ, फिर एक हाउसफुल आता है. Do you have a game plan or you just go?
No, I do it randomly. I just whatever script I like it, I just do it. So that's why so many times, sometimes it happens that in a year 5 movies come, sometime in a year 3 movies come, 2 movies come. So there's no planning to it. Because रिलीज के लिए डेट ही नहीं मिलती. सब आ गए ईद से दिवाली, दिवाली से क्रिसमस, सभी घूमते रहते हैं, हमको कोई डेट ही नहीं मिलती.
पर आपको ये सब इतना अहमियत नहीं रखता है ना?
कोई भी डेट मिल जाए जिसमें मेरा प्रोड्यूसर, एग्जीबिटर, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर खुश हो, उसमें आ जाते हैं.
Yeah, I've never heard comments that Akshay wants Diwali, Eid. I've never heard these kind of comments.
Yeah, neither have I.
Yeah.
But because you do end up watching his films. Like, let's be honest, I mean, you ask the audience, you ask anyone, his films are, even a film like Special 26, like where people, जब आप देखोगे movie बनी है, you'll feel पता नहीं कितनी serious है क्या है, but it has that undertone of dark comedy. तो आप देखोगे ही वो उनकी movie. I think that's where, I mean, as an audience, I'm saying it doesn't matter कि इनके पास कोई special date हो.
You know, yours and Neeraj Pandey's combination is very lethal. कोई भी film आती है, curiosity is there. Do you think Neeraj Pandey brings the best out of Akshay Kumar?
Oh well, I think so. The way he directs, the way he writes, I like the way, the intensity he has. I like the way that he doesn't have a library of English films, and he doesn't. He writes his original, and he thinks, he reads, he has so much knowledge about everything, and he keeps it, and he brings it, and he puts it together, and he comes out with something new and different. I like the fact that he thinks. It is not only about, it is not just copying.
Do you have any recollection of any of Akshay's old films you saw for the first time and you said, "Yaar, ye film dekhkar I wish one day I get to work with Akshay
I
Kumar"?
don't think she sees much film.
I don't watch a lot of
She
films.
doesn't. She'll watch all English films.
I watch a lot of animated movies.
Ice
Not-
Age.
You just said it.
I can never trust
तो
this
बिल्कुल
man.
नहीं देखते हो क्या हिंदी फिल्म?
No, of course I see Hindi films. I mean, I've never wanted to be an actor, so obviously I didn't have that thinking, nahi, I want to work with this person, I want to work with that person. So, and even after I became an actor, there wasn't that thinking, nahi, mujhe, inke saath kaam karna hai. But I just remember the first film I watched of yours.
I think the last film you saw was Love 86.
What is Love 86?
It was Govinda's film.
Sorry, I've never even heard of it.
But what songs were there in that film, huh?
What film?
Love 86, yeah.
See, the thing is,
So,
I don't.
because I
it's
said
not-
this
I don't
movie
mean
because I
to be
think the last film she
offensive.
saw was in 86.
So
So
bad.
you didn't want to be an actress, and what did you want to become?
I don't know. I mean, I started acting when I was 17. So, I mean, back then, you don't really have an agenda, na? Ki, no, I will do this. I had ideas. I thought about getting into fashion.
I think the way her look is, I think she wanted to be a samurai player,
Yeah, totally.
a Japanese samurai girl.
Geisha.
You obviously come from a family where your father was in the Air Force,
Yeah.
you know. We've talking about how we have love for uniforms and stuff like. So tell me the moments that you observed with your father when he was in the Air Force.
Oh, forget me observing. I think for me the only thing I realize how women especially love men in uniform is, मैं अपनी माँ से अक्सर सवाल पूछती रहती हूँ that, so my dad never had hair, but still like he had more hair products than any of us, like little bit hair, like यहाँ होंगे थोड़े बहुत यहाँ. And I was like, why will you go for a ganja? Like, come on, yeah, he's not even good looking. He's tall, but that's about it. And then my mom had long, beautiful hair. She was slim, and she's 11 years younger to my dad. I mean, I have like kuch to comparison. Or she like the first time I saw him was at a wedding, and he came directly from his service, so he was in a uniform. She like मैंने देख के ही माँ बाप को बोला इससे शादी करनी है. I'm like, oh dude, like that's scary though. Like, but yeah, I think.
Actually, uniform has that effect.
Oh my God.
It happened to me also in the film. जब तक मैं पैंट पहनता था और यूनिफॉर्म से पहले बनियान पहनता था, I used to be in my vanity van ऐसे walk कर रहा, and suddenly when uniform पहने with all the medals and the cap,
It's beautiful.
suddenly you start
Feeling
walking
that, yeah,
like
you have that pride.
there's air and you're in the air
Yeah.
and you're just
You used to
walking. You
glide.
I used to glide. If you see the walk in the court also,
I
there's a
have seen-
glide.
I remember.
It is not acting. I am not trying to act. It is just gliding on its own. It is the uniform. That's why I started this. I tell people,
Yeah.
whenever you see a guy in uniform, have a selfie. Make him feel special,
special,
because
yeah.
he is special. चाहे वो आपके घर का वॉचमैन क्यों ना हो, चाहे वो कोई भी हो. But a guy, when he wears a uniform, it is a sense of duty which comes to every.
Yeah.
He has to give so much duty to other people. So that's what it happens.
Wow, so we salute all the people out there who are wearing a uniform. Thank you for being there for us. Lots of love and respect. Now, you've been away from the Hindi film industry for 2 years. Did you miss
Approximately.
the Hindi film industry during that time? Was it a deliberate break? Were you
Because
busy?
she has the last 2 year back, she had happy ending.
So I was
That was the
happy.
film she had.
It's so.
What? Oh my God! Stop thinking like that.
See, look at him. He's doing it on purpose.
Coming to you, you have a तय है contest which is happening on social media. जहाँ आप लोगों से पूछ रहे हो कि what is the craziest, wackiest love story that you've been in?
Yep.
What is the craziest thing someone has done for you in love? Or someone has had a crush on you? What has that been for you?
बहुत कुछ हुआ है. एक स्कूल में था तो मुझे दीदी बुलाता था क्योंकि मुझसे 2 साल जूनियर था. और जब उसे पता चला, जो मेरा फर्स्ट बॉयफ्रेंड, जब मेरा फर्स्ट लेजिट अफेयर शुरू हुआ स्कूल में, तो उसने अपना हाथ काटा था, मेरा नाम लिखा था. एंड ऑल हिज फ्रेंड्स केम एंड टोल्ड मी कि ईशा दीदी आपका नाम लिखा है. नाम लाइक ओके, बिकॉज दैट्स वेरी फ्रीकी. बट आई थॉट, आई मीन नाउ दैट आई ग्रो अप, आई एम लाइक ओ डूड, दैट वाज सो अमेजिंग.
Isha Didi.
Juniors, he was younger to me. ईशा.
और आपका कोई है ऐसे कोई स्टोरी?
It was in the 5th standard. I was sitting with a friend of mine, and the Marathi teacher was teaching, and I was looking at her. And you always fall in love with the teacher first.
Yeah.
You don't care about anybody,
course.
anything. The first love is always a teacher. So I was just looking at her, and then I whispered something in my friend's ears, and she heard me talking. Rajiv, you're talking. What was he saying? So he stood up. What was he saying? Nothing. He did say something. Tell me.
Oh God.
Ma'am, he said he wants to marry you.
It's so cute. Oh,
So, but the teacher called my parents.
अरे रे.
there's something wrong with your son. He wants to marry
He
me.
wants to marry me. And my father obviously laughed. He just burst out laughing.
Yeah.
Because
Obviously, what else do you say? 5th standard.
But my parents were called.
Oh God.
And
But that's so
मुझे डांट भी
cute.
पड़ी, ये है सब कुछ है. It's okay.
Aw.
Now, you've been away from the Hindi film industry for 2 years. Did you miss
Approximately.
the Hindi film industry during that time? Was it a deliberate break? Were you
Because
busy?
she has the last 2 year back, she had happy ending.
So I was
That was the
happy.
film she had.
It's so.
What? Oh my God! Stop thinking like that.
See, look at him. He's doing it on purpose.
Oh man,
Yeah, so did you take a break because of happy ending?
so bad. You know, I actually thought that was the end of my career after happy ending. Unfortunately, it wasn't deliberate. I don't think any actor who especially wants to be in the industry deliberately just disappears. I mean, you want to definitely be seen. You want to be doing more films, as many films as possible. But I just didn't like what was honestly coming my way. I know it's a cliched answer,
No,
but I
fair
didn't
enough.
like it. And I was just like, I'm not going to do it. I know he doesn't agree
But
with me.
no. But
You
from
lectured
Mustan
me
she'll
that
have-
day.
I'm telling you, I'm still. I go with my lecture. I told her, don't.
Lectures me.
You because she's such a good actress. She's beautiful. She has all the ingredients which a big actress should have. So she should not stop and just. I said, if you like 60% of a film, don't go completely 100% वाला film नहीं मिलेगा.
He's got
It's
a
like
point
a.
there,
It's
yeah.
like a. अभी इनकी दोनों की कभी भी थोड़े सालों में शादी की उम्र हो जाएगी. They are not going to get that perfect man. It's not going to come.
But actually,
The
that's a
perfect
reality.
man,
huh?
the guy with humor, the good looking and everything.
शादी की पहले प्लानिंग हो गई.
नहीं मैं
शादी की उम्र हो जाएगी मतलब.
मैं बोला कुछ सालों में. मैंने बोला अभी कर लो.
There's no
No,
real
but
age,
it's
I
true.
think.
No, but
You will
he
not.
the lecture,
You
but he
have
gave the
to.
same talk to me.
Oh,
So
he
I
did?
agree. Like, yeah.
Just do
Yeah.
60%. That 60% with your talent, you will make it into 100%.
I
He
don't
said
know.
the same to me.
Maybe I
throughout,
don't
so
have that much faith in myself. I
You
guess.
have. You have, you should, you will.
Maybe I
You
should,
have.
but-
When once you'll see the movie yourself, you
I
will
still
check.
haven't seen the movie.
You haven't,
All
huh?
I've been hearing
I
is
haven't.
from him, and he's watched
No,
it.
but one thing about Akshay is really, I've noticed that whatever it is, he's very honest about everything. I think at this stage in his life,
is
he's
completely blatant.
as blatant as possible. So he
I
says you're
prefer
good,
that.
you're good. But tell me, were you upset with happy ending?
Of course, I mean, you don't like it if a film doesn't do well. I mean,
No, there are different
How
ways
could
to
you be
react.
upset with happy ending?
I was hoping he didn't catch on
Let's
wasn't
go ahead.
good.
Next question.
you're on a roll today, totally.
Yeah, man, huh? So yeah, so did it take you time to bounce back from that because of that film? I know it was a happy ending, but
Okay.
I think we should move to another question.
Possibly, yes. But to sort of end it, yeah, it doesn't obviously, it's not a good feeling when your films don't do well. Do not react on anything that I say right now.
Like that, Amisa, I should have killed myself after 14
yeah, but
flops
you know,
together.
you've done like 120 something films.
That is-
because he
you
didn't
will-
give
You have
up.
to move. You
Yeah,
have
well,
to.
but you're
you have
Akshay
to.
Kumar, I'm
No,
not
and
Akshay
you
Kumar.
are Indiana De Cruz from Santa Cruz.
I don't.
who has booze?
Who listens to blues.
It's like a bit of poetry on you, yaar. Huh?
Yeah.
Dekho na.
Who should stop snooze?
You can elaborate on that also, huh?
I did. I'm still writing.
Hey, Isha, we have to write a poetry.
We should.
Yeah, we'll
बहुत
write
सारे
it.
बहुत सारे.
In the aircraft now, we'll all sit and we'll
And we'll
write a
write
whole
Pakka
poetry
Tan.
and we'll read it to some other good program.
अरे इतना वेल बिहेव मैं जिंदगी में नहीं हुआ हूँ आप कैसे बोल रहे हो अभी तो बोल दो गुड प्रोग्राम हाँ
No, but today is the first time I'm enjoying myself.
How sweet, thank you. Which university awarded Akshay Kumar honorary doctorate for his contribution to Indian cinema?
Oxford, Harvard.
नहीं ऑप्शन
Give us options.
नहीं पहले ऑप्शन छोड़ो पहले जितना हो सके गेस तो मारो अब मैं देख रहा हूँ आप चीटिंग कर रहे हो ये सब मैं देख रहा हूँ सब चीज आप उंगली ऐसे मत किया करो फिर Okay, now I'm going to do a quick quiz.
Oh, Lord.
I'm going to ask you questions on Akshay Kumar on these girls.
Okay.
Hang on,
All
is
right.
this about his movies?
Movies only. Okay, chalo. How many Khiladi films has Akshay Kumar worked in?
Give us options.
खिलाड़ी, इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी, खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी,
Mr. and Mrs. Khiladi.
मिस्टर एंड मिसेस खिलाड़ी,
सबसे बड़ा।
Khiladi.
सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी, खिलाड़ी
786,
786, हाँ 786, 6 ही है ना?
6?
6.
गलत जवाब
तो कितने हैं?
8
कौन से दो में?
खिलाड़ी 786 खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी मिस्टर एंड मिसेस खिलाड़ी
वो भी बोला.
खिलाड़ी 420
वो बोला,
मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी
वो नहीं बोला.
खिलाड़ी 420 भी नहीं बोला.
नहीं बोला
बोला.
था. I thought she
नहीं,
said it.
I thought
अच्छा
she said it.
786.
Yeah.
तो 8 films
चलो.
doesn't matter now what was Ilyana's character's name in the film फटा पोस्टर निकला हीरो दीप्ति
questions
काजल
है यार?
सी प्रिया अच्छा 10 सेकंड है
कुमार संतोषी क्या रख सकता है?
आज को बात तो
काजल, दीप्ति, प्रिया. चल, I'll take काजल.
नॉट बैड
I swear मेरा गेस्ट वर्क है. मैं सिर्फ राजकुमार संतोषी को ध्यान रख के बोला.
दिल से you actually imagine what he'll keep
कहाँ तक जाएगा मैं सोच सकता था क्योंकि I've done 2 films with him.
Really?
I didn't know you then.
my god
Obviously I did. I
not
just
bad
guessed-
hats
I
off
just
hats
guessed
off
it with Santoshi.
That's
नहीं
fine.
ताली बजाओ इसके लिए really if that's
संतोषी जी के लिए तालियां.
संतोषी के लिए तालियां
What was this Rajkumar Santoshi? Santoshi.
He was just imagining what kind of
name will he
names.
go for? Because he has kept our names and everything. So what name कहाँ तक?
I was
पहुंचेंगे?
complaint Kajal.
you
Apparently.
complete Kajal
Yeah.
Kajal, okay.
okay what was the name of the film in which Kajol starred opposite Akshay Kumar
ये दिल लगी.
क्या बात है did you see that film or
Yeah,
not
but there were 2 actors in it.
Saif also.
Yeah.
not bad
I
at all
told you that was the first film I saw. Ye Dil Lagi.
okay
Yeah. Okay.
not bad so you got this which university awarded Akshay Kumar honorary doctorate for his contribution to Indian cinema
Oxford, Harvard.
नहीं ऑप्शन
Give us options.
नहीं पहले ऑप्शन छोड़ो पहले जितना हो सके गेस तो मारो क्या है ऑक्सफोर्ड हार्वर्ड व्हाट एल्स
और दोनों ऑप्शन बताओ ना.
उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी
हाँ.
यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ विंसर या दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी
University of Windsor.
अब मैं देख रहा हूँ आप चीटिंग कर रहे हो, ये सब मैं देख रहा हूँ सब चीज। आप उंगली ऐसे मत किया करो फिर।
What?
उंगली
I don't know what you
So, you know what he's giving the option like वहाँ ये सब कर रहे हैं, मैं देख रहा
आपने देखा, हमने
हूँ। माँ की कसम खाई आपने,
Yeah.
अपने माँ की कसम खाई, आप चीटिंग कर रहे हो।
Why is he
मैं माँ
looking
की
at your
कसम चीटिंग
fingers?
कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ।
Okay, हाँ बोलो। I've given you the options.
I
It's
just
sim-
said the answer.
Which is?
University of Windsor.
That's because he told you. You
No,
saw
he
it.
did not. You gave it off. You said वो ऐसे कर रहे हैं. So I'm like अच्छा.
झूठी, तुमने देखा होगा। Okay. In Miss India 2007, which sub contest did Isha Gupta win? Miss Talented, Miss Photogenic, Miss Perfect Smile.
No, no, no.
ये आंखों में
मैं
आप लोग
उधर देख लेता हूँ। मैं
हाँ।
photogenic.
TikTok,
She's already.
TikTok, TikTok.
But the problem is that
Talented
she's
and
all.
Miss
I mean, say
Perfect,
Miss
yeah.
Photogenic, she is best smile and
Miss Talented.
Miss Talented.
एक ही चूज करना आपको।
I think I'll go for photogenic.
क्या बात है? How did you guess that?
Just, I think because
You
in
know you
तीनों
can't
को
lose
मैं,
the
if you
game with
divide
it,
it, it is science.
हाँ ठीक है।
Common sense है कि कहाँ से इसको पकड़ा होगा.
तो साइंस आपने अप्लाई किया इसमें।
पे common sense apply किया.
But he said a very nice line. He said that सब चीज है. If you notice that line,
नहीं
he
मगर
said.
आपने वो नहीं देखा टैलेंट के टाइम पे थोड़ा हो गया.
But on that lovely note, thank you so much, Akshay.
Thank
Really
you.
pleasure, honestly. Lots of love, brother. और इलियाना दीदी, ईशा दीदी, पाए लागो, हाँ? And I'm not a let's यार बोल तो.
This is the best interview.
On that note, bye.